Well, good morning everyone, Mr. Mars Blades here on the west coast. Welcome back to the workshop again. This is the design I've got done for another friction folder. I'm going to call this the Hunter folder, with a little difference. I'm going to attempt to do something that I've not seen anyone do before, so hopefully that's going to be quite interesting for you. And so I'm going to profile this though for testing the heat treat oven. But before I get on to that, I'm just going to show you something else that I'm currently doing on this brand new knife sharpener that I've just uploaded a video for. I'm going to do a modification for it. I started doing it thinking I wouldn't bother filming it too much because it's just a simple modification, but I think I'll just share it with you and upload that anyway. I'm looking for some short videos to be doing, so yeah, that's what I'm going to do. There is a gauge there that I've worked out that I'm going to stick on this Kosim Knife Sharpener so that I can get the angle worked out nice and quickly and easy. What I've done is I've screwed this piece of stainless steel angle on here. So I've screwed it at the bottom in here, drilled and tapped it, screwed it in, and it's just standing up here. It doesn't need to be very solid. I've also got this piece of wire that I've got a point on that I've put between this nut up here and this bolt that slides up and down on here. And so what this does is, obviously I've got two marks and they correspond to the top and bottom, 14 and 24 on here. What I've got to do now is cut that off and stick it on there, and you'll see exactly what I'm talking about.
Slightly done below the existing lines around there. Let's just tidy that up.
Alright, so now if I want this to be 20 degrees, I set that on 20 degrees, I push this down to 20. I've got to calibrate this. So that's 20, 10, 0. So now I have to put that on there and see where that's at. Ooh, so 19.8. It's only 0.2 off of being at 20 degrees. That's if this is accurate. So let's just say that's good for now. You can see clearly how easy it was for me to just put a gauge on here. This will still work, as you can see. So there you go, a modification to the Kosim Knife Sharpener. Bye for now, I'll see you soon.